Hello friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. Today uh, we have an important topic of mathematics about Cramer's rule. So Cramer rule is a method in a linear algebra used to solve a system of linear equations with as many equations as unknowns, provided the system has a unique solution. It uses determinants to find the solutions. So here we have two equation in two variables, that is equation number 1 and that is equation number 2 with two variables, that is x and y. So consider these two equation, and we can write this equation in the form of ax is equal to b. So now let's solve this equation or this question step by step. So first of all, in step 1, write the system in matrix form. So first of all, we will write in matrix form. So 2, 3, 4 and minus 1. 2, 3, 4 and minus 1, and then we will write x and y and equal to 8 and 2. 8 and 2. Now in step 2, find the determinants of a denoted as d. So this is the determinant, and we can write this in determinant form like this. So 2, 4, 3 minus 2. Now the method of finding out determinant is we will multiply this with this. So this multiply with this, and in the middle we will insert minus. So minus, and then we will multiply 4 and 3. 3 or 4. So this will become minus 2, this minus over here, and multiply 3 by 4 equal to 12. So minus 2 minus 12 equal to minus 14. So that determinant is equal to minus 14. Now we will place this constant over here for finding out dx. Again I repeat, now we will put this constant, this value over here. So step 3, find dx by replacing the first column of a with the constant. So as I told, these are constant, so we will put the constant over here, and then we will solve for finding out determinants, and this determinant is called dx. So let's solve it. So first of all, we will multiply 8 and minus 1, 8 and minus 1, and this minus, as I told, here we insert minus in the middle. So minus, and multiply 2 and 3, 3 and 2. This will become minus 8, and then minus, and 3 multiplied by 2 equal to 6. So minus 8 minus 6 equal to minus 14. So the value of dx is equal to minus 14. In step 4, we will put this constant over here, and this value will remain on its own place. Like if you see, here is 2, 4, so this 2, 4 will remain on its place. For determining the dy, we will put this constant term over here. So now we will find dy. So for dy, we will multiply these two terms, 2 multiplied by 2, and then in the middle minus, and 8 multiplied by 4. So 2 multiplied by 2 minus 8 multiplied by 4. So 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4, and then minus, and 8 multiplied by 4 equal to minus 32. So 4 minus 32 equal to minus 28. Now let's move to step number 5. In step number 5, we will divide dx by d, and here for y, we will divide dy by d. So what is the value of dx? Value of dx is equal to minus 14. And what is the value of d? It is also minus 14. So minus 14 divided by minus 14 equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. And for y, dy upon d. So what is the value of dy? The value of dy is minus 28 and the value of d is minus 14. So minus 14. So minus 28 divided by minus 14 equal to 2. So the value of y is equal to 2. So the value of x and y is equal to 1 and 2. So this is the solution of a linear equation by Cramer rule, and I hope you will have understand this very simple and easy solution. Moreover, if you have any kind of question regarding this, so your questions are most welcome in comment section. Thank you for watching video. Take care. Goodbye.